Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video we are going to fix a issue which we normally face with the AMD processor while running and while trying to run app on the emulator. So it asks to unable to run Android emulator hyperdriver blah 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 this type of prompt. So the very first step is to enter into the BIOS mode. So in my case I need to press the F2 key continuously. So let's do that. So we have entered into the BIOS mode. So guys, one more thing, access level must be the administrator, not the user. So if you are user level, then you will not able to see the SBM mode, like switching unable to disable. So after entering the advanced option, so here is the SVM mode. So by default it is disabled, so you just need to enable this option, and by clicking on the F10 you are saving the settings. Okay, yes, so it's done. So guys, once you restart system, you will be able to create an emulator. So if this video helps you out, so do subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.